Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Hey guys, we're going to make all of these animals. Here are the materials. We have lots of stickers and foam pieces. And we even have these stickers. We're going to make the elephant. We need this purple foam. Edward Elephant. Here's a purple cube. Here, let me let you see it up close. So where does this cube go? According to the picture, it says we need pink ears. These are the ears we need for it. Pink and purple. Pink and purple. That's what we need for the elephant. Oh no, these are the ears. They're pink foam. I think that's all. Now we need the googlies. That means googly eyes. We need to put the nose together. Here, it comes with a purple part of the nose also. Or maybe the picture shows it differently. We need these and these and these. Not this. Oh. It sticks. Here's the nose. Other side it looks different. Here's the nose. Now let's put it here. What? How can it stick? It doesn't even stick. Why can't this foam? Why can't this stick? Do you have the sticky?
Uh-huh. Here
Really?
you go.
Thanks.
It's a sticky tab.
Okay.
Put it underneath.
Sticks on both sides.
Yep, put it underneath. And now stick it to it.
Good.
Now put some googly eyes.
We need the smallest actually. Here are the googly eyes. We have googly eyes already. One and two.
Okay, looks like you need some ears now.
Here are some. We need a sticky tab. So the battery was dead. Mommy put a new one in. Everything is blowing away. Everything. And we need the ear, other ear, and we're done with this pad. Dun-dun-dun-dun. We need some sticky foam. Oh man. And that's one of them. Wrong gear. There. That's one of them. And here's the other coming through. Here it comes. Here's the second ear, all prepared. Sticky foam. We need sticky foam.
It looks like you have to put some felt on over top of that. And here is the felt.
Mm. Comes.
Do you need some help?
I'm fine. There, let's take the sticky thing off. Whatever this sticky thing is sticking on the ear, I need to take it off. Whatever it's called. Get it off.
Good job.
Here's one of them. Goes on this ear. And the other is coming through. I'm fine already, still. We don't need that. Clean. Clean.
Good job.
I bet Daddy would see this.
Okay, it looks like the ears are taped or glued behind the face.
By the sticky things!
Yep.
Okay, so we got it almost done and Mommy's getting the stickies. Don't you like that? Oh, everything is blown away.
Here's one.
One. You put it like a diamond behind.
Uh-huh. And here's two.
Two. Ooh. So. Ta-da! Time for the mouth!
Nope, it doesn't have a mouth because the mouth is hidden by the big trunk, the nose. It's underneath of there. So, the next thing, it looks like we need some
Tiny legs.
So, where are the little square legs? Here's one.
Oh, this is quite hard to do.
And you're gonna press it right on the side there. Yes, for his legs.
But the trunk, Mommy, the trunk.
Put it underneath, like this. Okay, you're gonna place it just like this, right underneath. So place the other one where his other foot would be.
Okay, that's good enough. The trunk isn't on the ground anymore. It's just stuck in the ground a little bit. Okay, now we need...
It looks like we need some pink. We need some pink fingernails. Did you know that elephants have fingernails? They're very big fingernails. And it looks like, can you see the pink fingernails on this sticker page?
Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
Oh, but everything is blown away now. You glue it just like this.
Very nice. Okay. It has two legs in the front and two legs in the back.
But we don't take that many legs. Glue the other one on the same way. It's done.
All right, let's see your masterpiece, elephant. That looks really awesome. Love it.
It's the thing. It's the thing that this book told us to make.
That's right, it is.
I'm so happy I made this so big and good.
You did a good job.
Time to do the bear.
Next time we'll do the bear.
Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.